Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of Bad Sheet Maker. Let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're back in command.cs, okay? Let's lay out our to-do list, okay? So first is going to be set up categories. This is related to the shared parameters folder, okay? Set up category, shared parameters, and then we need the path to the shared parameters folder or file. Okay. Alright, so we already laid out our null and empty checker, right? So now we just have to set up the element ID that we're going to use later on for the title blocks. And we're going to call it title block ID. Alright. Okay. Now we get to start inside the transaction. Okay, this one's kind of long. We'll get going on it. Okay. First, we're going to grab the shared parameters file. Alright, and then we're going to have to set up a for loop for it. Alright, and then after that, we're going to have to set up a file name or declare file name variable. Okay, and then after that, we're going to set up the dialog box for the file type that we're selecting. And this is where we choose between CSV or Excel. Okay, and then after that, we're going to create a filter for the title blocks. All right, so once we've figured out what file type we're selecting, right, then we're going to show the dialog box. File chooser dialog box. All right, and then after that, once that's done, we're going to start looking for the title blocks, right? So firstly, we're going to see if there's any title blocks loaded. Okay. And then if nothing's loaded, then we're going to go ahead and load them from our using our load multiple families tool that we used or that we learned earlier this week. Oops. If not loaded. If not loaded, load title blocks. Okay. All right, and then we're going to use the title block chooser, which I'll show you how to make. Okay. And then after that, we're going to show the title block dialog box. Okay. And then we're going to grab the string that we chose from the title block chooser. Because we're going to use our null checker. And let's see. if something is there, do this. And then else grab first element in the list. And this one is the one that we're going to use, when if no one chooses from the drop-down box, or if it's just left blank, then that's where that one's going to be used. Okay, and then we're going to create the sheet list to be used on the index. And then we're going to get all schedulable fields. From the view schedule definition. Alright, and then once we grab all the schedulable fields, then we need to do a for each loop. And then for that, we're going to have to initialize the file name. File name. And then we're going to do our ends with check. All right. So, and then if it ends with, if it's an Excel file, we're going to do this. And then if it's a .csv file, then we're going to do this down here. All right, and that's it. All right, we're going to go back to the top and start coding it up. All right, guys, that's going to be it for part 2. It's getting a little long. I'll see you over in part 3.